Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host Jonathan. Thanking everyone who's been liking and subscribing and sending comments. I really enjoy that. And today we're on the corner of Wall Street and William Street to see the original cornerstone of the Bank of New York and Trust Company, founded by none other than Alexander Hamilton. Now this cornerstone was originally laid on June 22nd, 1797, and this was the first bank and financial institution to actually set up on Wall Street, which would eventually set the precedent for a financial district to New York City. Now when the building that's here now, this giant building, it was built in 1927 through 1929, and their cornerstone is right here. So it's the same address, same location, not necessarily the same institution, but when they took over the building and demolished the original, because Americans love to demolish their historic buildings, they saved this original piece, and it's here on view on Wall and William Street, right by this fantastic old Interborough Rapid Transit sign. Yeah, that's the subway, but that was the IRT, was one of the original subway lines. So right on this corner, it's a feast for a lay historian. So if you're ever on Wall Street, and come on by and see one of America's first banks, or at least its cornerstone. And we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.